Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization. Let's enter the settings and in this left section we have to find the display. Now let's scroll down to localize eye comfort shield, which is the basically eye comfort mode in this device. We can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Of course, we can customize it just by tapping on this option, and here we've got the switcher, which is responsible for changing the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it much cooler. As you can see, it is almost invisible right now, to be honest. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's maybe not orangish, but you can see that the colors are a little bit affected. They are more dull, in my personal opinion. Of course, set the color temperature just like you want to. We can also set the schedule. The always on is manual option, which means that you have to manually turn it on and off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and as you can see, this option is location based, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. And we can also custom this option, so we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will of course apply the eye comfort shield accordingly. It's up to you. So this is the whole customization of the eye comfort shield, and actually you can really see how it affects the screen on the wallpaper. And in order to have much faster access to this option, to quickly turn it on and off, you have to simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to see all of those icons. And now we have to find our eye comfort shield, and as you can see, you do not actually have to unroll everything because it is right here in this section, which is responsible for the I would say screen options. So let's simply tap on it to turn off the eye comfort shield completely and turn it on just by tapping on this option again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.